Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Enigma and also ChainLink and Enigma announce a collaboration. Just in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. Brave browser block out all the advertising and you can earn basic attention token as well. If you're interested, you can click the link below as well. Also, you can follow me in Twitter as well as library.tv. And of course, library.tv is a decentralized YouTube. If you're interested, you can click the link below. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Of course, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, bitchute.com as well. And let's talk about Enigma quickly. So Enigma, this project I talked about probably a year ago. Basically, it's a decentralized. Is basically they have a privacy protocol and scalability as well, and it's a secure decentralized web. They have a secret smart contract, and they allow dApps and blockchain to use privacy and sensitive data, which is pretty cool because right now everything is on the blockchain is basically there's no privacy, and they are doing a secret smart contract that you can write on the blockchain with privacy, probably encryption, stuff like that. So they just launched their testnet. So the testnet just launched before Christmas. And before that, they launched their developer testnet back in June. And the developer already writing, like building secret contracts to power their dApps, to provide some solutions. And they already, in the monthly development update back in November, they set a target to launch the testnet in December. And exactly what happened before Christmas, they launched the testnet. So it's good that they do what they said because some of the project is already dead. If you go to GitHub, you can see they have over 1,900 commits. And then you can see they are pretty updated. You can see back in December 25th, even on Christmas Day, they have some update on the project as well. So most of the team members from Enigma, they are from MIT. So they are, in terms of technical knowledge or IT background, they are pretty hardcore. As opposed to some other projects, both of them are just marketer. They don't know how to write codes. They don't know how to write programming language or write coding and all that. I don't think it's a good idea if you're building a blockchain project. You don't have any technical background. You cannot just hire people. You got to have some technical background before you can do some blockchain dApps or stuff like that. But anyway, their team is pretty solid. You can go back to my previous video and talk about I talk about the details about the Enigma project. That was probably a year ago. So they already are running the nodes already. They already have secret node runners, and the runner basically is a block producer or miners. They're connecting to the Enigma discovery testnet, and then they stake their own test Enigma token. And so basically, this is a privacy node per se. And of course, the first independent node have already successfully connected to the testnet. And then they have a secret contract for the salad. This, which is built by Enigma, is a con mixer implementation. Probably I will talk about that later on, and probably in the next few videos. And they also deploy on the Ethereum testnet and Enigma. And of course, they're going to launch a Genesis game, which is a competition among the runner or not. Basically, is a miner or a block producer, whatnot you call, and then they become the first mainnet node or Genesis node in Enigma network. And of course, if you are running the node, you're going to earn some network reward and fees, right? But the thing is, they only have 50 Genesis node maximum will be selected, which is pretty centralized. I think Cardano, they have more than 1,000 stake pool you can stake, and I would rather they have like more decentralized approach. 50 is like, seriously, it's very centralized system. And in EOS they have 30 block producer or 30 miners, and I don't like that. I think in Tezos they have more than 1,000 as well. I can't remember actually. They have more. It's not just 50. 50 is very centralized. So the only thing I don't like is the centralized nature of the node of this project. So of course, all the node runner, they have to maintain their uptime, minimum uptime, stability, reliability of the network. And Let's see. So basically, they're going to do a competition. The top 30 nooks or the runner will be the Genesis nook. And then, of course, they have to stake an average of 25,000 Enigma token to be the block producer or the nook runner or the miners. And of course, the nooks can up to 50. The total is 50. And as I mentioned earlier, I don't like to be too centralized. I would rather they have thousands at least, serious. I mean, I would love to see that, but I don't know. So let me know what you think about this project as well. And of course, they have collaboration with ChainLink. So ChainLink, in case you don't know, is a decentralized Oracle network. And in the traditional system, a lot of traditional systems still not on the blockchain, right? So this is just like a bridge to pull the data from the Oracle database and then just write a smart contract on the blockchain and then this gives the serve as that's why I call ChainLink, serve as a protocol that they can run on the blockchain network. So basically, you can have a payment system. You can have after you put the data, you can give access to the data provider, the web API, payment system, enterprise system, and also they can do a cross-chain activity as well. If you see ChainLink, of course, is on the Ethereum blockchain, and then they pull the data from Oracle, they write a smart contract on the blockchain, and if the smart contract require privacy or encryption, they can use Enigma protocol because they can write a secret smart contract, and that can provide privacy and privacy for those smart contracts, especially financial data and stuff like that. You want to have it encrypted, payment system, all that. I think it's better to encrypt it on the blockchain instead of everything go public. I mean, I don't know. Let me know what you think about the collaboration between ChainLink and Enigma. This is a pretty interesting collaboration. And I think it makes perfect sense because this is also good for DeFi or the financial, the decentralized finance system is also crucial as well because, I mean, I like projects that build, that focus on enterprise level or payment system, those or healthcare and stuff like that, because those will be important in the future because you got to the payment system eventually. You are not going to use this. I mean, I'm not saying that we're going to replace the SWIFT system, but SWIFT probably have to look into how you can, do business on a blockchain because this is the future. Let me know what you think about Enigma project as well as the ChainLink project as well. And I would love to hear from you. And what do you think about the DeFi, decentralized finance on the Ethereum platform? I mean, I think if you build something on the enterprise level or on the business side, that is more important than just focus on like gambling stuff. I mean, I don't know. Because I like more like solid stuff that can use in a business real world setting. And those are the people that can pay big money to integrate or migrate a certain system. And this is the future of the financial system. Like it or not, from the Wall Street, they know that this is coming. So they probably, I mean, for a lot of accounting firms like Deloitte and all that, they have been looking at blockchain technology probably long time ago, at least 10 years ago. So they already invest in infrastructure and stuff like that. They build stuff based on the Ethereum platform as well. So let me know what you think about this Enigma project and ChainLink as well. Please comment below what do you think. And do you think Enigma, they only have 50 nooks running or Genesis nook? Do you think it's too centralized? Let me know what you think about that. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, and BitChute.com as well. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, or stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.